Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So firstly, click on this search icon. Now in here type Microsoft Store, then click on Microsoft Store. Now in here in search bar type WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp, click on free. Now wait for a while till this downloading and installing procedure will be complete. Now just you need to click on open. Now to use WhatsApp on your computer, there is 3 steps. First one, open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap menu. So you will see these 3 dots or settings and select linked devices. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. I will show you how to do. So open your WhatsApp on your device, tap 3 dots, then settings. Now select link device and select link devices. Point your phone, then click on scan code on your device. Now keep your device in front this desktop screen, then you will see continue on your mobile. So click on continue, then click on OK. So like this guys, you can download and install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.